This is good. Too crazy, guys. Hey, y'all. I wanted to see what happened after this. He drug him. He riding this whoop section like a rhythm section. My boy scrubbing off the whoop. And stop. Yeah. Look at this. Missed, like, what kind of mistake is that? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Trackside. It's your boy Cinema J here. And before I get started today, I want to give a big shout out to my #1 sponsor, my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. I'm so thankful to be able to produce these videos for you guys. And I've been blessed with this unique and great opportunity with the resources and the skills and abilities to be able to do this. So guys, it is amazing. It saved my life. I encourage everyone to learn about Jesus. Secondly, thank you to you guys. You guys are amazing. You guys have been liking, sharing, commenting, helping the channel out more than you know. Really, thank you with the super things, man. You guys support this channel, support my family when you do things like this. So it is really amazing, and we have arrived. First sponsor, guys. Let's go. So Soda Fuel, dude, man, I just been praying things have been happening, yo. And Soda Fuel is great, guys. Look, helps you perform better, recover faster, endure longer, and push the limits. This is for extreme sports. If you're doing any kind of physical activity, you need this, man. You need electrolytes. I'm not big on energy drinks. Half the time people are talking about getting off of energy drinks. This you need. Everyone needs electrolytes. So hit them up, 0 sugar. Really good. I dig the ingredients. That's what really drew me to them. Good ingredients. They're solid. You get 10% off and free shipping on all orders of Soda Fuel. So check these guys out, man. Discount code is Trackside. Like I said, everything is linked below. And we get into this little segment here I made the other day, and we'll get into the highlights.
Grab it! Give me some soda. Cut. Why would you throw it?
I need some more sweat. Someone? More sweat? Oh, whoa. Hold on, what is that? Is that Soda Fuel? Is it this one? It's kind of good. But don't spray me in the face with Soda Fuel, man. My gosh. Oh.
More cramp.
I'm actually cramping for real now. I can't.
Oh goodness, more cramp.
I can't.
More cramp.
Now,
More
no,
cramp.
I'm really
good.
cramping.
That's good.
Right
Keep
now,
going.
I'm really...
Keep going. Keep going.
Hey, yo, when I saw that, I was so weak. But look at this. Shout out 23 Media. You know what to film. You know what to film. Go check these guys out, man. 23 Media. Sick. Look at this. Look at Chase, man. Man, you can teach this all day, but if you ain't got it, you ain't doing this. And Chase got it. And Justin Cooper. I just spit. Wow. Fastest starter. Best starter. I'm saying it. I'm calling it, right? Of today, with no button like Honda. Man, one of the best starters. And look at this. Where's Chase? We see Chase and Webb in the back. And Anderson, what has been going on? Like, these mistakes gotta stop, man. Come on. Like, and minus the mistakes, he's just missing something at the end of the races, but he's racing enough to be up there by the end to where like he's been getting on the podium still. But and then AP, I totally forgot about AP in the break in the first results video. I thought Chase had no teammates, but this is why he's just back there, and we'll see what he does later. That was crazy. And then Roxon, here we go, slips out. Look at this, still gets the brake tap because he knows this is what you got to do, man. If you're a pro and you know, you gotta bring that front wheel down and level her out if you're gonna case a jump. And this is just textbook right here, man. We've witnessed this like 3 times from 3 different riders this year, and he rides it out like totally amazing. I love to see this from these guys because if he doesn't do this, bad news. But he does it, and he gets to walk away from it and still wins the race, man. It's moves like this. Look at that. You good. You good. It's scary as all get out, but hit the brake, level her out, ride it out, man. Kenny, like, it was Webb, clearly Webb chased Kenny for me, but I'm like, man, Kenny is so fast and strong early on. I was not surprised to see this first win, and this was cool to see. Justin Cooper's up there, man. He deserves to be up there. He's nice. He just got to figure out the whoops and stay strong for the whole race, because look at this again. He can get the starts, but I'll be honest right here, I was more so focused on that black bike, Justin Hill, and I was hoping he had this inside line. I was hoping he would do some damage on chasing Webb and staying second, but and then this Chase, shout out 23 Media again with in the right place at the right time. Look at this. Now this is what I like with Justin Cooper. Yes, this was the moment I was like, hold on, Cooper got some dog tonight. He got some dog tonight, because the Justin Cooper I've been seeing, he would have gave that line to Chase, but he rode Chase right up on the berm first off and cut his line off. Man, if he was just stronger later in the race, he can win. But look at this. This is good. This is good. Two crazy guys. Hey, y'all. Like two villains out here just villaining it up. Villainating the track, and look at what it cost him. I mean, I wanted to see what happened after this. He drug him. Like, man, this is crazy. And then Webb, outside, inside. Or is outside gets the inside. That's just the Webb racecraft, man. It's good. It's good to see. This guy is special because he's got speed too this year, man. On this Yamaha, he's got the speed and the racecraft. He's dangerous. KTM knows it too. They should know it better than anyone, and Chase needs to listen to KTM. This guy's dangerous. Cooper Webb, NC stand up, let's go. Man, Chase fast, but Cooper Webb has been fast and he's smart, so he got some work on his hands. And right here, NC stand up, let's go. I hope they gave this whole shot, because he got it. McElrath got the whole shot, so I hope they gave it to him in his third main event, because wow, this is good. He let that Honda eat and then just got consumed by factory riders. Oh man. But here we go, AP. I was like, all right, here we go. We got one. You know, he's been fading, but I'm like, we got one. Yeah, he out here, and then he do this. He riding this whoop section like a rhythm section. My boy scrubbing off the whoops. Let's watch that one more time. But oh, Roxon right here. Front wheel off, right there. It's like, man, let me just get through it, man. I'm just gas it, man. Just gas your way out of them whoops. Yo, this was crazy. What a gnarly whoop section that was. But that was really impressive for the guys who got through him. But AP, dude, where are you going? That's like the wrong way. You're not supposed to be going over there. And Chase, look at this. Jumping faster than skimming on McElrath. 333 with the 450 power. Man, skimming was sketchy. Malcolm was jumping down there too. So, guys, man, Chase is so good, man. Like, you're so good. And it's just those mistakes. How long are we gonna see this? How long, guys? He's competitive. Yeah, somebody was saying that's just competitive. He wants to win. But I was like, yeah, but like, at what cost? Like, you're competitive, but that's not the word. Like, you're focused on one thing, which is winning and going fast, and that leads to mistakes. So you got to be smart and competitive, right? Like, what are you competitive against? Like, are you competitive with yourself? You know, like, I don't know. And then look at this, two Suzuki guys. I mean, this whoop section's crazy. We got Nichols down there. I don't know what he's doing. I think that's Chisholm over there. He looking like he want to retire tonight. And here we go. And stop. Yeah, look at this. Missed, like, what kind of mistake is that? You're first. You're the fastest guy out there. Webb wasn't putting any pressure on him. And, like, come on. It's hard to pick him next week. The best keep picking him because he's the fastest guy, but, man, how can I vote for a guy like this? To win, bet on a guy like this to win, you know? And then this is crazy to me. I'm like, okay, clearly he's not going to catch Webb, maybe in the whoops, but look at this. We all know who watch Moto consistently. We all know Webb is taking the innermost rut. He does this. He's been doing this since KTM days. KTM knows this. So I believe KTM has briefed Chase on what to do. If we heard him during the race, they were saying like KTM told Chase if Cooper Webb is behind him, he needs to focus forward and he needs to get out in front as fast as possible. He needs to stay away from Cooper Webb. And then he does this. It was like, well, I'm pretty sure they should have briefed him on if he's in front of him, which we all know this is what he does. But Chase, he's just racing. He's racing fast. He's just urgency, and then blah, and just runs into the back of him. We all saw this coming, and why would he do that? So, and then another person in the comments says this is what he does in these turns. He's got to work on turns. So he worked on the whoops. He worked on technique. You got to work on turns, man. And I don't know if he just trains a lot by himself. Deegan trains with the guys, with the boys. Maybe Chase needs to go out there and train out there with Alden and them, get some more race awareness or something, because this is just silly. But anyways, you guys drop it down in the comments. Let me know what you think. This is crazy. This is wild. And Webb was just out here doing his own thing, man. And Chase is out here doing what he wants to do, which is win. This is what Chase wanting to win looks like. Doesn't look good. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Check out Soda Fuel once again. Discount code is trackside. Everything is linked down below to take you straight there. 10% off, free shipping on Soda Fuel electrolytes. You need it. I need it. Let's go. Stick around for the next video. I don't know what it's gonna be, but it's gonna be good. Thank you for watching.